Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Hakman Traders. In this video I am going to be showing you how you can trade stocks or forex by using the Banks method. By Banks method they have they use other methods, so I will be showing you how they use Banks method. They trade stocks or forex. So let's get started. As you can see here, this stock right here, as you can see that this is moving in a downtrend here at this level. As it starts to decline, what we do is we short the stocks here or here. That's what we do. So when we short our stocks here or the in the forex, the banks what usually the banks do is they buy stocks here, 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 at this, here, here, and here. They apply this method, buying buying at different levels, shorter they decrease their lot size, buying small lots at different levels when the market is declining. And what they do when the market starts to rise, they sell those here at this level, somewhere here. Again they stop at these types of level, sell here, here, and here. They do this. And what we do is we short our stocks here, like I've said, and by long position we take our long position right here and go with the trend. So they sell their stocks here, 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 like this. They apply this method. This is known as the Banks method. They use this method because they do not want to lose much of their money and want to trade. Although I want to tell you that if you like buy a stock here, you will have to sell it at this level here. So you will have to. The problem is with this method is that you will have to wait for it for a while. Now, how much time is this? Like this is 16th of March, and what is this? What is this level? What is the date? 11th of August. So you will have to wait for like 5 months to gain profit from it. So what I suggest is to buy the stocks here and sell. Although the banks do not can't buy, sometimes the problem is that banks have larger amounts of money, maybe billions or trillions of dollars in currency. Like they cannot buy the stock here, as if they do buy, maybe the stocks can push up, moving it in upward direction. So they apply this method, waiting for small amounts of profit for a long period of time. And if they buy a stock here, they can sell it here, gaining that profit. Again, if they buy here, this no there is no problem with this, with buying here and selling at these levels. But the main problem is when they buy the stocks here and wait for a long time, which I wouldn't do, which I wouldn't do myself, I wouldn't do personally. But they do it because they have lots of amounts of money and they can trade with it. Another thing I want to show you is a side trend. It is difficult to apply the Banks method to a side trend, as you can see that there is no clear cut pattern in it. I've showed how to trade a side trend. That's You can do trade a side trend by applying some methods and gaining small amounts of profit. But in this case, as you can see that the Banks method cannot be applied, or if you apply it, it won't it can't it won't last much long. You can see that there is no clear cut pattern. The stocks are here and then move up here like this. So it can be applied only in like these type of trends. When it's a downtrend, they buy and sell. Although they also buy in the correction as well, like here, like this level here, which you can see at this level. Let me make it to you clear. Over here they buy here, again here, and wait for a while, and then they sell at somewhere these levels. So they buy at regular intervals and sell at a large at a small amount of profits. Although small amount of profit is much more for them, as depending on the amount they are investing in it. So this was the Banks method that I showed you. Hope you guys are enjoying my videos and want to learn more about the stock market. All I want you is to support my channel by hitting that subscribe button and comment down below, as your feedback is valuable for me. Goodbye.